Here's another spotlight on a beautiful Florida native flower, which is the Sandhill St. John's wort. As you can see, it's currently in full bloom, and it has these beautiful yellow flowers that just brings a lot of joy to the garden. It's a low growing wildflower that is great for a filler near a pathway. As you can see, I have it right by my pathway, where it could be under trees and shrubs mixed with other flowers. I'm actually thinking about adding this one maybe as a border for higher plants behind it. And as you can see, it blooms prolifically, especially in the summer. It's still spring and it's doing so well. And it's a favorite native pollinator for native bees, also like the unique bees. And this is a small shrub. It doesn't grow that big. Mine is about 2 years old, and as you can see, it's not huge, so maybe 2 to 3 feet. Mine is probably about 2, and it prefers sun to part shade. It's doing better here in the sun. I had 2 other ones in front of the house, which is still in full sun, but one had a hard time establishing, but this one is doing pretty well. And it likes a dry to well-drained soil, so maybe mine in the front died because it's been watering by the HOA sprinkler for the past couple of weeks, daily. But hopefully that issue can be resolved. I think it's because the landscapers just redid my neighbor's yard, and it needs to be watered daily, so my plants are being watered daily. And as good Florida natives, they don't need as much water when established. But I went out there and I already turned them off for a while, and the plant should be fine, but I'm gonna have to replant mine in the front. But this one is looking gorgeous, which I'm happy about. So it tolerates salty, so you could use it next to the beach, to the ocean, and it will flower all the way from the summer through the late winter and support those rare bees if you could get them in your yard. And it spreads by seeds. You could plant them by seeds, but the other good thing about this plant is that it also supports birds, because birds like the seeds that grow from them. So if you want to attract cardinals and finches, this is an awesome plant to have. So get out there, get your St. John's wort. It's a lovely complement for your yard, and I hope you can have as much joy as I do in planting for wildlife. I hope you have a good day.